Hi guys, it's Danny from Inglorious Fishing, and we're turbot and mackerel fishing out on the boat, baby. Stay tuned, I hope you enjoy the show. Woo-hoo! So guys, we've just arrived up to Banc Du Noord, and look, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 gannets working. 5 or 6, 7 gannets working, guys. So there's obviously some activity happening over the head. We might have to try there for some mackerel in a bit, guys. But currently I've got my rod down. We're just getting the rod down for some turbot, and hopefully we can get you a big flatty, guys. So stay tuned. We'll go over the head in a bit. Look at those lovely gannets. I love it when you see them dive bomb. Hopefully I can get that on record in a bit, guys. Anyway, let's hopefully get these turbot. They're circling up ahead, guys. Look at them, 4 of them working right up in the air, searching for bait. He'll find one, he'll come crashing down. So guys, currently 20 to 10, and all we've had is 1 dogfish at the moment. Sorry I couldn't get that on film, but the camera weren't set up. So we've had 1 dogfish, that was right at the start, but other than that, we've had nothing. There's currently 3 knots of tide. Now, for turbot fishing, that's far too much, because the turbot ain't going to be able to keep up with the bait. So, we're going to keep trying. We'll stay up here until the tide slackens off, and hopefully once it slackens off, we'll be able to get a few, guys. So, I'm just going to put out a little bit extra line. Hopefully we can get a turbot, but you never know. But you got to be out to get one, guys, so hopefully I can get you a few. So guys, the time is currently 11:15. We've got to be back in by 1:45, and the tide is just absolutely hammering through here, so I don't think we're going to have a chance of getting the turbot. So what I might go and do, guys, is cut my losses, head back to the north of the island, and we might go and try for a few mackerel and a few bass, guys. So we'll just finish this drift. If we don't get anything, we'll be starting to make our way back towards Guernsey. Like I say, hitting the north coast. We go for some of those massive mackerel that we've been hitting recently in the live, guys. So I hope you enjoy it. Hopefully we can get a turbot. If not, we will be on those mackies. Either way, we're going to get some fish. So guys, no flatties. Let's start making our way to the north of Guernsey for those mackerel and bass. Let's go do it. Let's go. So guys, we've arrived up the braes and it started to rain, so I don't know what's happening there. Hopefully we can get a few mackerel. I'm hoping we can get a couple, otherwise it's been a wasted journey. We don't want that. We've already had a bad day up at the turbot fishing, so sorry if there's any water that gets on the lens. Yeah, like I said, it's raining, so trying to film while raining, trying to bring you some content. Doesn't look like it's going to do us any favours today. No mackerel as such yet. We haven't got long, we've only got half an hour till we got to go in. And this ain't looking too positive. So I've tried, guys, I really have tried. So I'm going to cut the camera off there at the moment until we get a fish, because at the moment all I've got is rain coming on the lens. Oh, fish on, guys, fish on. Oh, we have one, he's just come off. There's some fish down there. Sorry, I won't turn the camera off. I have some markings down there, guys, fish on. Yeah, mackerel on. Two lovely mackerel. There's some big mackerel here. One, two mackerel. Sorry about the water on the lens, guys, I can't help that. Fish on, guys. Yeah, fish on. Mackerel. Like I said, sorry about the water on the lens. There is nothing I can do about that. It's raining, absolutely raining, and you're out. So see if we can get a couple more of these mackerel. At least we've got some mackerel now, guys. It ain't all been hasn't been a bad trip all in all. We've got a few mackerel. At least we've got some fish on the deck, you know. That's what we want. Like I said, we haven't got long. We've probably got about 15 minutes we can fish for. Now I've got to start making my way back. Mackerel on, guys. Oh, he just come off. Just the one. That was only the one. There's definitely markings down there. So we're going to get back there. Yeah, fish on. I got one. Another mackerel there, guys. Gonna quickly get straight back down. Want to try and get as many as I can. There's a load of set markings right underneath us. Fish on. Oh yeah. Another two there. Some nice mackerel, these. Some really nice mackerel. Fish on. Mackerel. Just the one. Popping them out left, right and centre, guys. Not big amounts, but they're a nice stamp of mackerel, that's for sure. There's some more markings. Yep, fish on. Fish on, guys. We should have came here to start off with. Get straight back down. It's pandemonium. So guys, no markings as such yet. I'm just going to get the feathers down. See if we can pick up a straggler, you know. It was like we're having little bands of mackerel come through then. It's fantastic. It's always good when you can get a few mackerel, you know. Try again. Couple of markings. Fish on, guys. Oh yeah, mackerel. Oh, whoa. Oh, this is going well. Must be a few. Oh, look at that, full string. 4 of them there, guys. 4 mackerel. They're all underneath the boat. 1, 2. 3 and 4. Want to get straight back down, guys. Don't want to mess around. If there's a few more, we'll get them. Yeah, fish on. Mackerel on, guys. Big beast. Big Lone Ranger. Look at the size of that thing. Oh, we should have came up here at the start, guys. Mental. There we are, fish on. Oh, I missed it. You watch. Fish on, guys. Oh, come on. Eyes on. There's loads down there. Loads of mackerel. It's pandemonium. It's a hoochie house of mackerel, baby. Corlamoins everywhere. Fish on, guys. Look at that. Lovely little pollock there. That'll be going back. Nice little pollock. Good to see. Good to see nonetheless, guys. Fish on. Another mackerel. Some beautiful sized mackerel here, guys. Some fantastic sized mackerel. Not going to be able to fish here much longer because we've got to start making our way in. Which is a shame because I just had another knock then. Well, guys, it's currently 12:30. The gate shuts at 1:45, so I'm going to have to start making our way in. We've had a load of mackerel there, some fine stamper mackerel. Check that out, guys. I'll give you a glimpse of it once we're back in. I hope you enjoy the ride in, guys. Woo! Macko wackos! So guys, that's another episode of Inglorious fishing. Unfortunately, we went turbot fishing and we didn't have anything. But then we went on to the mackerel and we had some fine stamper mackerel there, guys. So we've stocked up on turbot bait and some pop bait. So all in all, not a bad day's fishing. At least we got out and caught some fish, guys. So if you like the channel, like, subscribe. There's going to be plenty more turbot fishing, mackerel fishing, bass fishing, lobster fishing, you name it, we do it, guys. We'll see you on the next one. It's Inglorious fishing. Thanks for watching, guys.